be aggravated by this experience. Expectant mothers should not fly and all.
I'm sure I don't want to hear anything else about that.
Yeah, you know, it was expensive.
I certainly understand why you want this little darling with you everywhere you go.
Rock and roll! Hey, Penguin, how's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Bob.
Scooter?
What's happening? Ron.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed, we've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But not so.
Great crowd. They love my stall tactics. They can't get enough.
I'm going back here.
Here I come, girls.
Good grief, I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo,
Hey,
actually.
how fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of them?
You know how we feel about our band.
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Me too. Get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Instead of always really on the email that last month was lab, we want to get you VIPs to the concert as soon as possible.
Backstage passes. All right, VIPs, head to the back alley to load up. Enjoy the show.
Okay, we're off to the concert and
See you later.
Have fun. Pick up the tempo.
It's a walk going all the way around the corner.
Please, dust bunny.
To the right side of the hallway.
Get up, dust bunny.
Across the yellow line there.
Tell you.
Don't sit back and enjoy what I'm sure will be a gentleman relaxing ride in the concert. Or maybe not. Let's patch our guests to the concert audio.
How about we continualize the tempo? Major Sergeant Pepper, Sergeant Floyd Pepper, care to do the harmonious hour? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! expected.
The acoustics here are terrible.
I can hear the music just fine.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Grab your things and exit to the right.